guys, this company went ahead and sent me this Switch 2 controller grip. So this is an integrated pro controller. So this thing is incredible. So I just pulled up Terraria right here. So this is, or Terraria, but this is such an awesome controller. Kind of want to show you how well it works. It has 0 latency because it's plugged into the bottom here. So this thing is super incredible to use. Right here we have the Hall Effect joysticks, and we have these four back buttons on here, which are incredible as well. I usually use top back buttons when I'm playing a game like Fortnite. So this makes it way easier because playing on the Switch 2 handheld, it is very hard, to say the least. But this makes it feel like an actual controller. Like usually I have a very hard time playing with like this joystick down here, because it's very uncomfortable with how close it is down here. So it's kind of hard to play and kind of get everything all set up, because you kind of want to just always use either this or this. It's super hard to play with these, but these, I'm telling you, are incredible, and it's super easy to pop it in and out. All you do is you just kind of lift this portion back up here. It does lock in place, but yeah, you just do that, and then you can slide it out, and you are good to go. So you can plug it back into your Switch. This is something that has been super incredible to use, and is just so easy to put on and set up. Like honestly, this has been one of my favorite things to use for my Switch. It's kind of hard to do when you're not looking at it correct all the way, but yeah, overall this thing is super easy to use. It's super easy to get set up, and as soon as you plug it into the bottom, it is set up for you to play. So it automatically connects and is so easy to play. Feels like you're holding a controller, like an actual like pro controller. And the triggers are super easy to use. The bumpers are super easy to use. Like a game like Fortnite, I could never play on this and actually do a good job. But with this thing right here, I could actually play Fortnite, sit next to my wife, and just chill. Like this thing is going to be so nice to play games like that. I didn't have Fortnite downloaded on here before, but I am going to go ahead and download it now. But this thing is super responsive, super easy to use, and honestly, if you guys don't pick this thing up, I'm so sorry. Like everybody who sees this needs to pick this up, or at least put it on their list to pick it up, because I've reviewed so many gaming products, and this one right here has been actually my favorite one. I'm going to be traveling with this. I'm going to be taking it everywhere I go, because I don't have to bring a controller with me anymore. This is going to be so awesome. I'm going to be able to have so much more fun playing. Overall, I absolutely recommend this thing. I cannot give it enough praise. Like if you're seeing this, your child is going to love this. Your cousin, your family member, anybody is going to love this and be able to play with it much easier than with the Joy-Cons. And you're not getting like a separate controller grip. You're getting an actual controller that you can plug in and play with. I know you do have to take it out and put it back in every single time, but honestly, it is worth it. If you're somebody who, like me, who is married and likes to be in bed with your wife and play video games at the same time, this is such an awesome product. Really do love it. Highly recommend it, and hope y'all give it a try.